Hello and welcome to my galactic kitchen. I'm Gigi. I was gone for a while visiting my family on the planet Aya in the distant galaxy of Andromeda. But now I'm back, here on Earth, ready to share another plant-based recipe. Today we're going to make a 2-bean meatless loaf. For our loaf we need 2 beans. I'm going to use a garbanzo bean and a white kidney bean. We need some tomato paste, olive oil, garlic and onion. We need some oatmeal, walnuts. Walnuts are optional. If you're not doing the nut thing, you can leave the walnuts out. We need some ground flaxseed and a little bit of celery and carrots. You're also going to need a pan to bake your loaf in and some earth-balanced buttery spread to butter your pan. This recipe also calls for a Worcestershire sauce. You can either buy some at the store or I'm going to show you how to make your own. Alright, to get our loaf started, the first thing you want to do is drain your beans. Quick tip, when you drain your garbanzo beans, save your brine. It's also called aquafaba and you can use it for baking later. While your beans are drying, you want to go ahead and chop up your veggies. Let's do that now. Next, you want to saute your veggies for about 8 to 10 minutes. While your veggies are sauteing, it's the perfect time to make your Worcestershire sauce. I prefer this brand of soy sauce because not only is it gluten-free, but it also has 50% less sodium, and that's good. Now, you just want to whisk it all together. And that's it. Wasn't that easy? All ready to go in our loaf. Now we're going to mix all of our ingredients together to assemble our loaf. The first thing you want to do is smash your beans. So I only use about half of the can of garbanzo beans, but somebody's been munching on my beans, so I don't really know what half the can is right now. I'm going to just guess. Then I save the rest for later, for like a salad or something. I use the whole can of white kidney beans. Oh, I need my masher. Masher ready. Beans are everywhere! Now that we got our beans in good shape, we're going to go ahead and add our sauteed veggies. Last but not least, add your sauce. all ready to go in our loaf pan. Oh look, it's not butter. You can try to go around the pan like this if you want with a knife. I say forget that. I just get in there with my hand, get it good. Make sure you get the corners real good. You don't want your loaf to stick. That's probably a little too much. Just don't tell anyone. All set and ready to go in the oven. You want to cook your 2-bean meatless loaf at 375 degrees for about 45 to 50 minutes. We got our loaf in the oven, so while that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make a homemade ketchup. While you can go to the store and buy lots of really good pre-made ketchups, you can also make your own. The benefits of making your own are that they're going to have less sugar and less salt. You can vary the recipe depending on your taste. The ingredients you're going to need to make your own homemade ketchup are white vinegar, apple cider vinegar, pinch of honey, or you can sub with maple syrup or another kind of sugar, up to you. Some tomato paste, bit of salt and pepper. I use an allspice. You can also sub this with cloves, either one, and a little bit of garlic powder and onion powder. Let's stir it up. All right, the ketchup gods are ready. And that's it, homemade ketchup. I think my loaf's just about done too. Perfect timing. So here we have it, our finished dish. Our 2-bean meatless loaf with our homemade ketchup, which also goes perfect with some steamed broccoli or some mashed potatoes. This recipe is a great introduction into plant-based eating because it's very reminiscent of Mom's home cooking. Enjoy your loaf and see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, check out more of my content on Instagram. See you next time!